Hello children, in the earlier class you have studied about the importance of balanced diet and ill effects of eating junk food. I hope you understood. Today let us study about diseases related to unhealthy food habits and lifestyle. See, unhealthy food habits is nothing but if you consume more of junk food, or if you are not taking balanced diet, if you are consuming only one kind of food, what happens? Or and lifestyle is nothing but, so how you work, what type of work you do in a day, so such things will play an important role in your health. Okay, so let us study about these things in today's class. So first let us study about lifestyle diseases. So what do you mean by lifestyle diseases? So lifestyle diseases is nothing but diseases that are caused due to lack of physical work or sedentary lifestyle. This is sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary means it is a state of where the people used to spend a lot of time sitting down. People used to work a lot of time sitting down. Such lifestyle causes some diseases, okay? Because here the person used to have lack of physical activities, isn't it? If you continuously sit and work, your body will not get any physical work, isn't it? So if you are continuously sitting and working, you do not have any physical activity like walking, running, climbing stairs, bending, or many more, carrying the weight and many more. So if you do not have such activities, you will have the chances of getting some diseases. Such diseases are called lifestyle diseases. Okay, so lifestyle disease means diseases that are caused due to lack of physical work or physical activity. Diseases that are caused due to lack of physical work or physical activity is called lifestyle diseases. Such diseases are called lifestyle diseases. So let us see what are these diseases and what are the causes of these diseases and how to prevent them. So first let us study about, first one is obesity. So we have already discussed what is obesity in the previous class while discussing about the ill effects of junk food, isn't it? So obesity is nothing but overweight. Obesity is nothing but overweight. If the people or if a person who weigh much more than the ideal weight or the normal weight, we say that it is the person is obese. Obesity means ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಜ್ಜು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರೋದು, ಅತಿಯಾದ weight ಇರೋದು ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, that is called obesity. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಜ್ಜು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. So what happens here? How it causes? How does obesity causes? So this is caused due to having too much of fat in our daily diet. So we have already discussed about food pyramid in the earlier class, isn't it? So what does it says? In our food we must consume more of carbohydrate foods, little less of proteins and vitamins and minerals, and very less quantity of proteins, and at last very least quantity of fats. Fats lies in the tip of the pyramid, isn't it? It shows that we must take very less quantity of fat. We must consume very less quantity of fat. Fat is nothing but ghee, oil, all these things, cheese, butter, all these things. We must consume them in very less quantity. But nowadays what's happening? People used to consume more of oily foods like fried items, isn't it? So people used to consume more of oily foods. So such person, and along with that if they consume more of junk food also, if while consuming along with this if they consume lot of junk food, so that person used to have the chance of getting this obesity. So because you have already learned the junk food. Junk foods, they are mainly of fats, isn't it? They are mainly made of unwanted fats. So if you consume such foods more, what happens? The fat increases. Fat builds up in our body, isn't it? It builds up in our body and we will get overweight. That is nothing but obesity. So what are the causes of obesity? So mainly eating too much of fat in our diet and eating junk food. So along with that, if we do not do any physical activity, so if that person, he used to eat more of junk food, he will consume more oily foods or like fats, and he will not do any physical work, what happens? He will gain more weight. Okay, so these are some of the reasons of obesity or causes of obesity. So obesity is nothing but being overweight. Being overweight. So how does it causes? So what are the causes of obesity? Mainly eating too much of fat. Eating too much fat and junk foods. Junk food, and along with that, if they do not have any physical work, lack of physical work, lack of exercise or physical work. These are some of the reasons for obesity. So these are some of the causes of obesity. So if a person, if he do very less physical work and if he consume more fat and junk foods, he used to get overweight than the normal weight. Such a state is called obesity. So how do you understand the person is having obesity? So what are the symptoms? Symptoms is nothing but how do we identify this disease? Okay. So symptoms of obesity. You will see that symptoms. So symptoms mainly you will see that is overweight. Okay. So extreme body weight, and along with that person used to have tiredness and he feels lack of energy. So even though they have lot of weight in their body, they feel lack of energy. They feel like inactive, tired, fatigue. Okay, such state is called such state. By seeing that, you can see that the person is having obesity. So extreme body weight, extreme body weight, then lack of energy. So these are some of the symptoms of obesity. So he used to get overweight, extreme, excessive body weight, and along with that he feel like lack of energy, he feel inactive. Okay, such a state is called obesity. So how to prevent this? How to prevent this? So here only you can understand how can we prevent this obesity. So you have learned here what are the causes. So if you avoid those things, you can prevent the obesity, isn't it? So prevention. So what are the preventive measures? What we have to do is we must eat a balanced diet, isn't it? We have already discussed the importance of balanced diet. So to prevent this, we have to eat a balanced diet, and we must avoid eating junk food. We must stop eating junk food. Not only avoiding, we must stop completely. We must stop eating junk food. And along with that, we have to do some physical work or physical activity or physical exercises. So nowadays you might see lot of people working in, they used to sit and work for long time. So morning till evening. So they will not, in their work they do not have physical work. So the work they do, it includes only sitting and doing some work. So it does not include any physical work. Then how should they include activities or physical activities or exercises? So such people, they should at least they should walk or do some jogging or running, such exercises daily for half an hour, like early in the morning or after while they coming back from the office, after coming back from the office, or means in the night. At least they must do some physical work or they must walk at least for half an hour, so that they can avoid these problems. Okay, so because in their work they do not have physical activity, so it includes only sitting and doing, so they will not get any physical work. So such things, such people, what they have to do, at least early in the morning or after coming back from the office, they must do some physical work or they must walk at least for half an hour, so that they can avoid these diseases. So prevention, eating balanced diet, eating balanced diet, eating balanced diet. Completely you must avoid the junk food. Okay, avoid junk food, avoid junk food. Then exercise. At least half an hour you must exercise. So by doing this, we can avoid the obesity. We can prevent obesity. So this is about obesity. So obesity is nothing but it is overweight, being overweight. So how does it causes? By eating too much of fat, by eating junk food and not doing any physical work. So by this we will get the obesity. So what are the symptoms? Symptoms is nothing but the person used to have overweight, excessive body weight, and along with that he feel like lack of energy. How to prevent this? By eating balanced diet. We must avoid eating junk food, and along with this we must do some physical exercises daily, at least for 30 minutes. So by this we can prevent obesity. Next, let us see another disease related to our lifestyle, that is diabetes.